Go play with your sister. Here's Panini. There's Panini. There she goes. Uh-oh, making a break for it. Oh, who's this? Mr. Chowder. Let's go get your sister. Go get her. That's Mommy barking inside the house. She doesn't like it that her babies are out here and she's not with us. Little Mr. Chowder. Let's see how cute you are. Come here. Oh, my goodness. Look at that face. Beautiful face. They love going straight towards the bushes. I don't know what she's doing over here. There's Daddy over there.
Oh, look at that puppy.
I know. Oh, she's wagging her tail. Send her this way, Dan. She wants you. Look at that tail. It's like a helicopter. Delaney, bring baby boy over here.
Mom, are you taking a video?
Yeah. So don't say any bad words.
Huh?
I said, no, it takes a long time. Oh, put her down. Oh my goodness.
Delaney, I want you to take your bike and your helmet, go put it inside the garage. It's been out for 2 days. Time to go put it in the garage. Yeah, it has. 2 days. It's almost yesterday.
Gene, he's eating your toes.
Then I'm going to go practice pitching.
Okay. No, you're going to go put it in the garage.
Delaney, you're being recorded. We can hear your whining on here.
They're going to put it on YouTube.
Here, take your helmet.
Then everybody's going to say, who's that ugly buggy? Push that.
Oh, great. Now I can't put it on.